Painting planes is a lot of money.
Painting planes is only done when they come, and will only be painted again after 3 years when they go for a D check. There is no question of a plane being painted at whim and fancy, okay? Let's get it very clear. And number two, the merger was not decided by then. When the merger was decided, later, it was decided to have one company. And that would be, naturally, as a merger, you can't have two brands, right? So as a merger, you had one brand, and Air India was the chosen brand because it had an international and a domestic
equity.
But
that means that the merger happened very ad hoc and very last minute and very quickly. If it's not being decided in advance, why go for the Indian if you don't know?
Well, it's very difficult for me to explain on a show with you the whole process.
Mr. Praful Patel, you are a very successful businessman apart from being a civil aviation minister. In 2004, you declared assets of some 17 crores. This time you've declared assets of 38 crores. So obviously your company has grown a lot, and you've done well. How do you balance the two aspects? I mean, are you as involved?
No, I must admit that whatever the balance sheet may say, but the fact is my involvement in my business naturally cannot be as it used to be before, and the fact is that naturally politics and my job in government takes precedence over anything else. So certainly there's a compromise. I mean, my business can wait, but I can certainly...
But your business is not waiting, it's doing very well. What is your primary business? It's the BD manufacturing company.
That was our family business, and then we are of course into real estate and many other things.
So here you've got your businessman, you've got your political life, but you are a man who likes good things in life, who likes to go out. How do you balance that third element that comes
into it? That is comparatively, of course, easier because there is no, personal and financial involvement. But of course, I'm a very social person. I have a lot of friends. I make friends easily. I like to, of course, meet people, go out, talk to them. Why not? I mean, after all, we are also human beings. After a tough day's work, you need a little bit of time for yourself.